money.
Are you a busy girl? Do you have a lot of things to do?
Don't take my money. I'll go home with you, okay, Mommy?
Okay.
I'll go home now.
Why don't you wave at the camera and say I'm going home?
We're going home, okay?
You gonna wave bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye, Daddy.
Bye, baby.
We have to go bye-bye. We should take this home now.
It really works, Elroy. I can try.
Oh, thank you.
Are you putting on makeup?
No hurry.
I'm gonna go get some more makeup. Some of Mommy's makeup.
I don't know. You better ask Mommy about that.
Mom, can I some of your makeup?
This is Mr. Jetson's suit. I must have given him the Cogswell suit by mistake. Oh, I better get over there and straighten this out right away.
Here you are, Dad. A brand new bag.
Oh, thanks, Elroy. I'll take these to the plant right away. Mr. Tracy wants me to
Pretty.
demonstrate to his
Let's
board.
check how it looks in the mirror.
See you in orbit. How should I know? Just get me back in. Do something quick.
I don't get it, Dad. I use
Pretty.
the exact same formula.
Oh, how come I can't fly anymore?
I don't know.
Yeah, I
There
think
must
so.
have been some kind of scientific accident the first time.
Ooh,
It might not happen
pretty.
again for a million years.
Well, I can't wait that long.
What about Mr. Spacely and the board of directors, George?
I'm just gonna have to tell him, I guess. Boy, this has been the shortest vice presidency in history. And gentlemen, I promise this invention will put space space rockets right on top of the heap.
I have this for makeup.
Yes.
Oh, you guys won't believe this. Mr. Spacely, sir, George! I should explain to you. Hey, quiet. Give me those pills.
Oh,
And now, gentlemen, for the first time anywhere, I shall personally demonstrate our
Yes.
flying pills. Mr. Spacely, please let me explain. Are you
Want to
telling me
make
how to run my
the
demonstration?
No, thank you.
Then keep quiet. Now it's all into the wire blue yonder. Pretty wild, but I don't know about the blue yonder. I know these pills work. Maybe I just need a
Ooh,
stronger
that's great. There you go. You roll it down first. There you go.
Now watch me make like a